we were immediately red out of the gate and then down all day. So same drill, same drill. Now here's the other thing. We already know if we're in a put, if you're in a put and it is still below VWAP, this is a bearish, right? Indication, meaning it's still weak to the downside, right? So if we look at this trade, not only should our brains be telling us stay in the trade, but look at where is VWAP? Can you guys see the VWAP line?
Yes, sir.
So if you guys bought up, if you guys bought, up here, why are you worried about this stuff? I mean, it could do this. What do you care? Because if it's just continuing to go down and your VWAP is just continuing to go down, why are you getting out? What is your purpose? What are you doing, man? Right? If you bought here and it came up and did this all day, and VWAP just continues because it's just going to continue to go down all day. What do you care? Right? Do you see that?
Yes.
So you bought it here. Everybody's panic selling here. Like, what are you doing? Why are you selling it? Why? Right? And I'll tell you why. Fear or greed is controlling that trade, right? And now here's what sucks. You guys bought in here, perfect timing. I was yelling all morning, keep your hands off, like I do every single day, for the 1% that's actually listening to that part of it and not drowning me out or walking away or whatever, right? So you're doing all the right things and it hits here and you're like, that I'm out. This one right here, you're like, nope, that's it, I'm out. I'm taking that money. I made all this money from here to here. Coach said this is going down. This is a perfect trade. I made the trade and I got out. And then it does this, right? So you missed the Forex. You see what I'm saying? Take your 50%. If you're squeamish, take it. Fine. Oh, I don't like it again. Take it. Fine. Take it. Fine. Do you see what I mean? Here's 50,
Yeah, coach.
20, 20, 10, right? And then you can do whatever you want, because I guarantee you at 10%, if all you had left was 10% left, you are never again going to worry about little moves to the upside. I promise you won't, because they're going to be so tiny to your position size. You'll be like, I can now hold this the rest of my life. That's how you'll feel. I'm telling you it will be. Ask David, who was holding the last two Apple all the way through Friday.
And coach, that's exactly how I played it.
Yep.
Just held on and then shedded, only because obviously this whole down all day.
Yep.
There was some news on AMD, but typically when you look at AMD every single day,
yep,
it retraces back to previous levels. So that's why I shedded all the way down to the bottom.
Yep.
And that's the 10 mark.
Yeah, that's okay, because think about it. Even if you decided different areas, the good thing is your brain was telling you, I want to be in this trade, right?